Hey there folks, I'm Adam from 911 Studios, and today we have a great little product for you. This is the 360 Smart Camera. It's the AC1C, and this thing is absolutely amazing. You're gonna love it. I'm gonna tell you all about it. So let's kick it off right about now. So this is in 1080p HD, and it's a security camera. Some great things about it. It does come with a 3M essentially double-sided tape to where you can mount it just about anywhere, any way you want. Put this on a wall, adjust it around. It's also got great motion detection. And look at all the ways that you can adjust this thing. You can put it on a wall like this. You can put it on your counter, wherever you want it. This thing is going to be the ultimate in security camera. So, like I said, it's got motion detection, human detection, audio detection. So it's going to give you a lot of options. Setup is a breeze. It does come with an extra long cable that you just plug in right here. See if I can show that to you. Extra long cable that you can plug in right there. USB is set up and it charge accordingly. Wi-Fi enabled, and attaches to your smartphone with an absolutely free app. There's a QR code in the instruction manual. You just scan the code, pair up your phone and this, and you're good to go. So that's a nice thing to know, that this is easy setup. Average rating on this is a 4.7 rating out of 5 in terms of ease of installation, so very easy to install. There's also a spot right here for your memory card if you want to add storage right on the device itself, but it comes with unlimited, lifetime cloud storage, so you can be storing your video and tracking it in the cloud, which is absolutely amazing. So let me go ahead and go over some of the details on it. It says AI humanoid recognition. It is night vision, which I forgot to mention. Reconnaissance humanoid recognition. Let's see. H.265 codec, so really good codec in terms of compression rate and just being able to play on everything. And it does have a face recognition. It does tie into all your little assistants, your Googles and your Alexas and all of the sort. So this thing is high speed, low drag, great thrust, perfect vector. This thing is an amazing little camera that can go just about anywhere. It comes with everything you need, from charging the plug into the wall. It's got the cord, it's got the 3M tape if you want to put it that way, or it can just sit pretty much anywhere and work greatly and efficiently. I could put this thing right up on my slot machine behind me, and we'd have a great wide 130-degree angle, seeing everything in the room, which is great. That wide vision that this thing has really allows you to get a great amount of area. So if you have any questions, go ahead and ask them below. I will be happy to help with that. It says full duplex HD calling, low light true color, so great for low light, and 130-degree wide angle. This is a 360 smart camera. 360 smart camera, little drop AI version, the 360 Corporation, micro USB, 5 volt, only 1 amp. And yeah, pick it up today. You absolutely won't be disappointed. This thing has great warranty and everything that you'll ever need. And I will admit, the instructions were super simple to follow in terms of setup. So pick one up today. Great HD 1080p camera. You won't be disappointed. Thanks again for watching. Click like, and adios amigos.